now as you can see guys that 2,593,461,000, that's my balance on my Binance account as of today. And guys, on this video today I'm going to show you how you can also make such kind of money in your account trading crypto arbitrage on trexbit.com within a few steps. Alright guys, as you also can watch my other videos guys, I've been doing many videos. You can see I have doing the trades in real time and there is no fake anything. Remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only and I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing. So without wasting time, let's do this. Alright, so the first step guys, you need to create an account on trexbit.app. This one, you need to go on your Google and write trexbit.app. Alright, and then it will land you direct to my trexbit.com where you will now make the trades. Alright, and so after that guys, after that you'll now log in and create account, and then you click on the three dots in your account. This is the three dots, and then you will go to P2P market. Today we are going to buy USDT. We simply want to buy low and sell high. Okay, so we need to buy USDT, so we are going to choose USDT here, and I'll go ahead and choose a vendor with the at least 0.8 offer. So I'll choose Zara Okwonko and then click buy, and then guys I'll put amount that I want to buy, which is let's say for example 1,000. So guys, you can see for 1,000 I'm going to get 1,300. 400 I'm getting 130. So let's say for example, let me buy for 500 today, just for example, just to test for you that I can show you that this is working. And then I'll click proceed purchase and then click pay and then confirm. Right, so guys, the page that I'm being taken right now, this is the payment page. All right, so now I need to pay this vendor. All right, so now guys, as you can see, the trade is now pending here. I need to pay, and then after paying the vendor, I'll come and then click I have paid. All right, so I'll copy this address here and I'll go back to my Binance and I'll click on send, and then send to wallet address guys, and then I'll choose USDT, and then guys I'm going to long press that address here and then click continue. And guys, I'm going to put amount 500, the one that I want to pay, 500 USDT, and then I'll pay, confirm. So now I'm going to put my password. As you can see, the screen is black because I'm putting my passkey and my password for protection. You won't see it. So you can see the withdrawal has been now submitted. So let's go to see the withdrawal, whether it's sent. Right, let's see whether the withdrawal is sent. Here it is. You can see the withdrawal has been sent. So now I'll go back here and then I'll click I have paid. All right, remember guys, do not click I have paid if you have not paid the vendor. And also I'm going now to text the vendor, hi, please release the trade. Simple as that. So now I'm waiting for the vendor to reply and release the trade. So you can see the vendor has said that the system will detect automatically once confirmed, just hang tight. So I'm going now to wait for the system to detect and credit my trade on my wallet. All right, so let's wait for it guys. Still waiting guys, and you can see my power is 2%. I'll go get my charger. I'll grab my charger right now so that we can continue with this trade until it's finished. And you can see the trade has been completed. So now I'll click on done, and you can see my balance now has jumped to 851. And now guys, the next step is to withdraw, and you can see my phone is now 2%. I'll click on withdraw, click on crypto wallet. Now I'm at 1% guys. Let me grab a charger, then we trade again. We continue trading. Right, I just connected my charger right now. So now we are going to do a withdrawal, and I'll show you how you can withdraw. So the first step, I'll click on the three dots again on my right, and then I'll click on crypto wallet. I'll click on withdraw, and then guys, I'm going to choose the amount that I want to withdraw. So for example, I'll choose 600 because I made about 614, so I'll choose 600. And you can see after fees I'm going to receive 679 in my wallet, right? So I'll click continue to address, and then recipient address TRC20. So I'm going back to my Binance and copy my I'll go to my Binance here, and I will now click receive token via address, and then I'll choose USDT, and then I'll choose a Tron. That's my address here to receive the amount, and then I'll go back to my Trexbik and I'll paste that address, and then I'll repaste it, and then continue. And then you can see guys, they have sent me an email verification code. So what I need to do, I need to go and to my emails. So I'll copy my email verification code here, and then I'll come here, and then I'll paste it again, right? And then I'll confirm withdrawal. So now you can see it's processing, and the withdrawal is now processing, guys. So now I'm waiting for the withdrawal to arrive in my wallet. As you can see, they have also given me a Tron scan to confirm whether the withdrawal is coming or not. You can see. Remember guys, there's nobody who can fake a Tron scan transaction. You can see 579 is being sent to my address, and it's unconfirmed right now, so let's wait for it. Everything is just automatic and there's nothing fake, so just wait for about 1 to 3 minutes, usually 1 minute. USDT arrives instantly, usually 1 minute guys. So I'm waiting for it to be completed here, and then I'll go to my Binance and show you whether it has been received or not. Just stay tight, hang with me, and so that we can finish this trade today. And you can see it has been completed here. So the next step, I'll go back here, and you can see my balance is now 251 because I didn't withdraw everything that I made today. So I'll go now back to my Binance and check whether the withdrawal arrived. Here's my Binance account. I'll now refresh. Let me refresh guys, and I'll show you the history. You can see here it is. Let me show you, sorry. Here it is 579 deposited. You can see date and time, and also you can see on my screen recording up here the time that we are doing and the date and everything. All right, so that's how I just made 79 USDT trading crypto arbitrage using 500 as a capital easily on Trexbik.app. And remember guys, once you open Trexbik.app, it will redirect you to my Trexbik.com, and you will trade there. So thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like it, comment, and share to your family and friends so that they can make passive income from home. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you a lot.